Hi everybody. It's been a long time, no speak. Sorry for you just seeing my craft desk, craft mat. My phone's a bit weird. You can't change like to turn the camera around while you're filming. I could just stop it and then start again, but I'm not that technical yet. If you can hear a bell, that's my cat or my kitten. She's still young. I see you, Celine. She wants to play. Anyway, I got two very interesting packages. Try and do it without showing my address. One is by Prince by Millie. I'm going to leave all the details down below. From her latest collection, A Woodland Walk, I believe. I'm not the best with words. I'm going to open it. Let me just get my little... Can you see? Oh yeah, that's better. I'm still so bad at filming. I promise I'll try and get better. You know, I always love packaging. I always like looking at how people pack their products. Probably opening it the completely wrong. There we go. Hang on. It's because I'm trying not to show everybody my address, and I'm still not really doing a very good job of that, am I? Let's have a look. Oh, it's one of these boxes. Aha, ha 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 ha. Aha, ha. There we go. Beautiful packaging. Can you see a lovely little sticker with a little Prince by Millie little card, which I love. I love this with the advertising. And then a card with Prince bringing little joys to life, and the little email list, which I am part of, and I follow her on all the socials, apart from TikTok, because I don't go on TikTok. And then lovely tissue paper with a lovely sticker, which I love. I'm trying to be really careful. So, and I love the little shredded paper. I have a shredder, which I was going to do my own shredded paper, but it hasn't worked out. So I bought a washi tape. Isn't that lovely? Look at this with her lovely dog Otis on, which I love. Do you know why I was so looking forward to this collection? Let me have a sip of coffee. Because I am a winter girl. I don't like summer. For those of you who don't know, I have a condition that's called hidradenitis suppurativa, and it affects your sweat glands, which means in the summer I get really poorly, which means heat doesn't work with me. So I am such a winter girl. I love snow and everything. So washi tape, what do I use washi tape for? Probably not what other people use. I use washi tape to as tape for holding my foils down on my Cricut machine, because it makes it look pretty, and also doesn't rip the cardstock. I also use washi tape for my packages, and then I put a little note in the packaging that tape comes from, and then I put Prince by Millie on, or whoever I bought the washi tape on. Actually, all my washi tape is from Prince by Millie, and it holds really well. So I have the Frog and Bath Time. Listen to a podcast in the pot. I can't. My brain's gone. I'm so sorry, Millie. I'm like butchering your Little Joys of Life collection name. Anyway, and obviously I stopped using it in the summer, and I was using just normal tape. So now in the winter, now I've got one to go match the theme, like the seasons that I use. So I've got my washi tape, and I've got a lovely bookmark. Look how cute that is. And I read a lot. At the moment, I am reading, for Christmas, my sister bought me A Tales of the Ironbridge Shop Girl. I butchered that title as well. So I live in Shropshire, near Ironbridge. So I am reading that at the moment, and I need a lovely little bookmark to use that. And she also bought me the Jane Austen collection, Lady Susan and Sense and Sensibility, which I am going to read afterwards. I have read them before, but I absolutely love anything period drama-y. Don't get me started on Bridgerton. Love it. And I bought a lovely little sticker with Otis on again. I don't use stickers like how like to peel them off and put them on books. I put them on, I have 2 metal cabinets. I will show you. I'll take some photos and put them on Instagram. And I put my stickers from Prints by Millie, and I've got Lily Bits and Deli's Designs and Rebel Jones, and I've got them all up on my metal cabinets. So there's another one from my collection, and sometimes I give them to my goddaughter. And then I bought a lovely notepad with Otis on and the dotted paper. Again, I use notepads, either I use it to write notes down from tutorials on YouTube, so Etsy consultant, or that I just need to quickly write down before I type it up on my Word document for my business. Or I use it again to put little notes into people's packages if I need to write them a note. And then on the back I'll put where the notepad came from so they can have a look at themselves. So I always feel bad using other people's stuff that I haven't made and put it in the packaging. So I'm advertising as well. We've all got to support each other. So I'm going to put those back. Thank you so much, Millie. I love these. I'm looking forward to using my bookmark tonight, putting my sticker on the cabinet. I love your packaging. Packaging is so difficult, isn't it? My packaging's got better thanks to my husband, who gave me some really good ideas for it. Now the next packaging is, so let's try and hide my address, from Deli, or Adele. I'm going to call her Adele, from Deli's Designs. She launched her Pekka plushie teddy, which I got in her from her Kickstarter. So as much I would have loved to have bought another one, I asked my godmother if she would want, and she's got so many stuffies that my friends said, no, please not another stuffy. So I was a bit sad about that because I wanted to buy her Pekka. Ooh. So I looked on the website and thought, what can I buy to help support Adele? Celine, don't chew the wires. Sorry, talking to my kitten. And I saw some bits on there because I need to help get myself organised. I am a bundle of like energy when I get in my craft room. And for those who don't know, Pezzy Wezzy's Prezzies is a card and gift company that focuses on religious occasions, all religious occasions. So, hello, Celine. And I just start making, and I don't have any sort of like plans for the day of what I'm going to do. So, I saw some things here that I thought might help me plan a little better. Oh my god, my photographing my things is awful. Sorry, Celine. Okay, so you get a little note from Adele. I love the way she writes my name. She's got such beautiful handwriting. And I love these. And there's little Pekka. I mean, you're a ray of sunshine. I need that today, Adele. Thank you. So I ordered an A6 notepad to-do list. I need this. I have Rebel Jones's like tick list that has helped me so much, and I've nearly run out. So I need to do. If I have time and my notes and everything. And how beautiful is this? Shoot for the stars. I need this. I love the packaging of this again with her. And I love the fact it's all. I don't know. I'm really thinking if I should put my cards on that, and then I always feel bad I'm stealing someone else's idea. And then A6 notepad with Pekka with the little, I'm going to say daffodil on his head and a bee. And I love this because, again, I use these in my packaging, in my notes for customers. And I like them to be like seasonal. So this will be soon for my spring notes, or even just notes by the size of my computer. I love the packaging again. And then I bought a New Day. I also bought like these little notepads. A New Day Has Begun. Again, to try and help me get organised because like I'm really sometimes with a little mole. I love this. This reminds me of when I used to work at schools and like in spring teach them about new life and stuff, and like looking at all the cartoon animals like Percy the Park Keeper. Am I showing my age now? And he had like little animals, didn't he, that used to help him run the park. Like there was a mole, I believe, and a badger and a robin. Anyway, I'm completely going off tangent. Anyway, it brought back childhood memories when I saw this mole, and I had to have it. So I'm going to try and use these. I'm going to take some photos. I'm going to put them on Instagram as well so I can advertise both lovely businesses, because we all got to support each other. And I love the packaging again. I think it's so beautiful, and I hope I can get myself a little bit more organised, because I know Eid and Ramadan, well, Ramadan's coming really soon, and I haven't really organised much. I mean, I've got a few gift bags for Eid coming, and I just haven't organised nearly enough stuff, and that's because I haven't just been well organised. And to be honest, I've been feeling a little bit poorly recently with my condition. So I haven't had energy, which is really bad when you're running a business, but I'm trying to be kind to myself this year. So I'm going to pop these on Facebook. I'm going to pop a link down to not only my store, if you want to get your friend an Eid card, Ramadan card, Easter, Passover's coming up, birthday, but also to Jelly's Designs, lovely Adele, and Prints by Millie, the lovely Millie. So you can see what other beautiful goodies they have. And thank you so much for your lovely products. I'm really looking forward to using them. And I will put photos up on Facebook as well as on Instagram to advertise you guys, because you deserve it. That's a package, Celine. You want to come and say hello to everybody? You're going to say hello? Celine says hello. She's such a sweet. She loves company. I wish I could turn the camera around and show you, but I'm not good at the editing aspect of it yet. Well, anyway, thank you everybody for listening to me rabbit on in my really unedited videos.